Hey guys, I'm Brandon with Mann Lake. I work on the commercial sales team, testing out these new tactical beekeeping gloves. Put them to the test today. These gloves are pretty sweet. I move my arms up and down. It is like air is blowing on top. That's like the coldest part of my body. I like how heavy duty they are. I mean, a lot of the guys are after a heavy duty glove of ours, but they don't want to go with the pro grade goatskin glove because it's lighter. It's probably was our best glove before we got these, but everything about it, where they commonly rip in the hand, it feels very strong. I've been trying to put them to it. Now granted, you got to get miles on them, but we checked 2 hives. Another thing I like about these gloves is that the gauntlet is a realistic length. Now granted, I think that the shorter one is going to have its place for some people, that depending on your suit and how experienced of a beekeeper you are, but for a hobby beekeeper, I like how long that goes. I was able to also bring it in, then cinch it up. I like that about stuff that I use. For your people that are out there, and some of them are a little bit more sensitive to bee stings, maybe not allergic, but they do not want to get stung, so they're really trying to go out of their way. They're very protective. We worked hives, and I just really can't say enough about how well they breathe. With a glove, it's one of the hottest parts of your body is your feet, head, and hands, and getting those to breathe well, the wind there, and they're super heavy duty on the other side, so they fit really well. I'm 6'4", 220, and a double XL glove fits me perfect. That I was trying to put it to the test. I was hitting it, and this is where customers call in, and this is where they blow out, and this is where that's a very thick, high quality goat skin. These gloves also got put up to a little bit of flame resistant test today when you're using a smoker and they get hot, right? I mean, they do. Now granted, the breathable vented stuff is only going to hold up so much. We know that. I wasn't trying to press. I was trying to avoid this from hitting any hotness, but these themselves, lighting smokers and puffing the smoker, there was flame on the tip of this glove for quite some time. I've seen cheap gloves melt right up, so that goatskin did hold up against the flame too. And it's gonna have to in beekeeping there. You're using flames and smokers and lighters and stuff like that safely. But those things we really tried to press, the practicality of it. It's a really good glove. Man, these are gonna last a long time as well. Buy once, cry once, right? It's an expensive glove, but it's the best glove I've ever put on for this kind of work, for sure.
Thank you for watching. We're happy to be able to provide videos from finding your queen to checking for mites. Follow our YouTube channel for new content.